Welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of guessing what product will sell on eBay? What if you could instantly uncover pricing trends, analyze competition, and spot winning products all in seconds, all in one app? In this video, I'll show you my brand new eBay research eBay product research tool built with Python and Streamlit. With just 1 second, you can pull real-time listing straight from eBay, view seller insight, analyze price distribution, even download CSV down here. Okay? Now the best part, you don't need to know coding because it's ready, right? I mean, this tool does all the heavy lifting for you, whether you're flipping items, running a reselling business, or just curious about eBay markets. This app will save you hours of research. Stick around because I also share how you can set it up for yourself and start testing your own products today. So smash that like button if you're ready to unlock the secret of eBay product research, and let's dive in right in. Oh, I already forgot. You can also if you have the time, just hit the subscribe button because I usually post a video once in a blue moon. No, that's okay. No, that's not true. Okay, sometimes once in a week, right? Twice a week sometimes, twice a week if I get more ideas or what to post or what to create. Okay, using Python and other platform like Node.js, Streamlit, Flask, anything. Okay, anything to combine with Python programming language. Okay. Now, as you can see here, the on the left side, the sidebar, that's the eBay app ID and the eBay cert ID. Okay, we usually have two codes. One to combine these two and then get the access token. The access token is the browse. It's a limited research. Okay, data that you can get. Usually that's a browse ID. It's a limited. I think that's only 5,000 data that you can get per keywords, okay, or per product. And then as you can see here, also there's a minimum price that you can put, max price, condition, right? And then the active listing if you want that product to be in or that listing to be active or should be active on eBay. Then completed listing and then sell through rate. Sell through rate is not yet. I mean, I'm waiting for the more complex ID, which is the finding ID from eBay. Okay, so now yeah, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to close this, but let me see here first. I'm going to close this out. Then I'm going to stop the app. Okay, it's no reflection copy. Okay, I'm going to stop. All right, and then I'm going to clear. Right, and that application, this one has already been, as you can see, it's connecting, right? Because I already stopped the server. And then I'm going to go back to my terminal. As you can see there, it says the connection is error. I mean connection error, right? Because there's already stopped the application. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to restart or launch the application once again. And that's going to be, okay, at Streamlit run. That's going to be, yes, Streamlit run app.py. I just put app.py because I just want to be I want to make the video. Let me see. Yeah, that's app.py. Okay, and then I'm going to maximize that. I'm going to go back. As you can see here, the other one has already been also running because earlier we stopped the application or the stop the server. I'm going to close this one, the old one, and then this is the new one. We're going to paste the app ID and then the client, I mean the cert ID. I'm going to get that at right now from eBay. Just give me 1 second here. Okay, and then the cert ID, and then I'm going to click on the I mean the space here, any space here, you can just click on, you can just press enter, okay? And then we can let's see the like for instance, we're going to look for a product name wireless earbuds, then press enter. Let's see. As you can see, we get the active listing for wireless earbuds on eBay. That's 1 to 9, but there we have tons actually. There's actually 19, okay, out of 20 that we currently know. Actually 20, yeah, 20. It's 0 to 19, okay. And yeah, we will see the title, right? The header, and then the price, currency, condition, seller, who is the seller, and then the URL, okay. Then down below we will see the market insight, and then the condition breakdown, and then the top seller. Who's the top seller? As you can see there, that's the name, the top seller, and the cheapest product, and also the link for that cheapest product, and then the most expensive product. Okay. All right. So, well, right now I cannot demonstrate to you the sell-through rate, but definitely, and in once I got the finding ID from finding ID is the combination of app ID and cert ID, but that one is a bigger coverage. Okay, and this one, let me see if this is going to work or no. It's currently have an error. Yep, and then let me see if it's not going to. Yep, only right now it's only for active listing because I'm waiting for the finding ID that could make this two option work. Okay, was for those mode to work, right? So that yeah, if you are interested with this kind of application, please comments down below. And if you have the time, just subscribe to my channel so you can get more about this kind of tools in the near future. Okay, usually I post a video once a day or once a week or twice a week sometimes. So yeah, see you on the next video.